Hey, welcome back to Top 1%. Today's video, there's no script, no agenda, no topic. It's just a heart to heart talk from me to you. So let's get this going. The question is, how do you stay motivated? How do you get the work done day after day, week after week, month after month, year after year? How do you work your ass off like that? How do you do it? Where do you get the motivation from? The answer is, there is no motivation. Motivation doesn't exist. Sure, there are days when you feel great, when you have that adrenaline rush, when things are going great for you and you get the work done. That's great. Everybody can do the work then, right? What's the big challenge? What about those days when you don't feel like getting out of bed, when you're feeling lazy, when you're feeling tired, when you have self doubt, when the world seems to be against you, when nothing goes the way you plan? What then? The reality is, that's when the work needs to be done, especially then. Because that's what it takes if you want to achieve your dreams. And please, it's not just some random motivational talk video which has no purpose. The point is, you need to understand yourself well enough to the point where you're willing to work no matter what it takes. And you enjoy each and every fucking moment while you're doing that. So what I'm saying is, everybody can put in the work when things are going easy, but when the going gets tough, the tough get going. To find out where you get that kind of mindset from, to keep working, you need to understand that you need a long-term vision. Sure, having the short-term goals, day-to-day tasks and getting them done one after another, that's what builds confidence, that's what gives you hope in the short term. But what the hell are you actually working towards? Is there a point? Is there meaning to all of this? Is there meaning to life? Everybody is different. You need to find out what's that vision, what's that goal, what's that big dream of yours. And how do you know that? Does your dream seem too unrealistic? Does it seem impossible? Does it seem illogical? If all of that's true, my friend, you're on the right path. Your dream is not supposed to seem easy or possible or realistic, because if it does seem that way, you're in the wrong game, my friend. Keep searching. You need to find out what is that you really want out of life. What is it that you really want to achieve? Because having short-term goals like getting six-pack abs or impressing someone or making some money, all that fades away. What after you get that? What then? You have nothing to work towards, right? But imagine if you have this goal, this dream, this vision of yours, which is too good to be true, but if it does happen, life would be heaven. So ask yourself this simple question. Do that right now. If there was no concept of money in this world, you had all the money and time in the world, you had all the resources that you wanted, what would you do from now till your last breath? That's the most basic question you need to ask yourself. Because I have the answer to that, my friend. I do. And that's what gives me the ability to work my ass off, to have the confidence to stand in front of this camera. Okay, I'm sitting in front of the camera, but from where I used to be, I've come a long way. I remember when I first shot my video, my first YouTube video, I didn't even have the confidence to stand in front of the camera and look into the camera, right? It took me 2 hours to shoot a 5 minutes video. And look at me right now. I'm shooting, it's been more than 4 minutes already and I can still keep blabbering on and on. That's what it does to you when you have a strong vision for yourself of where you want to be, where you want to be in life and what you want to achieve. And you back that up with short-term actions, day-to-day tasks, and you just put in the work no matter what. It's really simple. Ask yourself that question right now. What is that one thing which means more than anything else for you? And are you willing to put in the work for it? Because if you do, your life is going to be something else. It takes people years to find that love of their life. No, I'm not talking about their partner. I'm talking about that passion, that relentless thing that they're willing to work towards no matter what. You need to find that. Because if you're just willing to compromise on your life and live somebody else's life, work in a company 9 to 5, compromise in your relationships, compromise in your job. What kind of life is that? Not the kind of life I want to live, certainly, because I live the way I want, and that's the way you should be doing it too. Okay, this video seems to be going too long for something that's non-scripted, and I'm just speaking on the point. I hope you get the point. Motivation doesn't exist, mindset does. Motivation is temporary, mindset is permanent. Find your long-term vision, prepare your short-term goals, and get right at it and work your ass off. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button. Comment down below what kind of videos do you want me to cover in the future. Share this video to all your friends who may be struggling with their life, because honestly, who isn't? Who isn't, right? We are all human beings. So everybody needs that little push and that introspection. So do that. Share this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon. And until next time, take care, stay hungry.